Quadrilateral. Let's have a look on some key points of quadrilateral. Quadrilaterals have 4 sides, 4 vertices, 4 angles and 2 diagonals. Quadrilateral is a two-dimensional plane figure which is enclosed by 4 line segments. The sum of all 4 interior angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. In a quadrilateral, if the two diagonals are equal in length, then that quadrilateral will be a rectangle. The examples of quadrilaterals are square, rectangle, rhombus, trapezium, parallelogram, kite. The diagonals of the parallelogram, the options are equal, unequal, bisect each other, or have no relation. In a parallelogram, if we draw the two diagonals as shown in the figure, from the figure it is clear that these two diagonals divide each other into two equal parts. That is, the diagonals are bisecting each other. Hence, C bisect each other is the correct answer. The sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is equal to A 180 degrees, B 270 degrees, C 360 degrees, or D 90 degrees. In a quadrilateral, there are two pairs of opposite angles, and we know that in a quadrilateral, the sum of opposite angles is equal to 180 degrees. Since quadrilateral have two pairs of opposite angles, therefore 180 degrees plus 180 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. Hence, C 360 degrees is the correct answer. The bisectors of any two adjacent angles of a parallelogram intersect at 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, or 90 degrees. In a parallelogram, if we draw a line which is dividing an angle into two equal parts, that is bisecting the angle. Similarly, if we draw another line which is bisecting the angle, that is dividing the angle into two equal parts. In the figure, the blue line and the red line are the two bisectors of the adjacent angles, and they are meeting at an angle of 90 degrees. Hence, the two bisectors of the adjacent angles intersect at 90 degrees. So, D 90 degrees is the correct answer. If the area of a quadrilateral ABCD is 0, then the 4 points A, B, C, D are non-collinear, collinear, nothing can be said, none of the above. We know that in a quadrilateral there are 4 vertices which are represented by the arrow marks in the figure, and this quadrilateral has certain area enclosed by the 4 line segments. If the area of the quadrilateral has to be 0, then the line segments comes in the same direction. That is, the 4 vertices of the quadrilateral becomes collinear, that is, they lie on the same line. Hence, if the area of the quadrilateral is 0, then the vertices becomes collinear. So, B collinear is the correct answer. The quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides is parallel to each other, then it is. Options are parallelogram, rectangle, trapezium, or rhombus. In a quadrilateral shown in the picture, one pair of opposite sides is parallel to each other. The parallel sides are shown by the arrow marks. So this quadrilateral is nothing but the trapezium. Hence, C trapezium is the correct answer. ABCD is a rhombus such that angle ACB is equal to 40 degrees. Then angle ADB is, the options are A 40 degrees, B 45 degrees, C 50 degrees, or D 60 degrees. Consider a rhombus ABCD given that angle ACB is equal to 40 degrees. Now we know that the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles. Using angle sum property of a triangle and by using alternate interior angles in triangle BOC, we can write angle BOC plus angle OCB plus angle OBC is equal to 180 degrees. Angle BOC is 90 and angle OCB is 40 degrees. Hence, 90 plus 40 plus angle OBC is equal to 180 degrees, or 130 plus angle OBC is equal to 180 degrees. Then angle OBC is equal to 180 minus 130, that is angle OBC is equal to 50 degrees. Angle OBC is equal to angle DBC. By using alternate angles, we can say this. The alternate angles are shown in the figure in the red mark and they are equal. Hence, if angle OBC is equal to 50 degrees, angle ADB is also equal to 50 degrees. Hence, C50 is the right answer. A diagonal of a rectangle is inclined to one side of the rectangle at 25 degrees. The acute angle between the diagonals is, the options are 25, 40, 50 or 55. Consider a rectangle ABCD in which AC and BD are the two diagonals of a rectangle intersecting at the point O. Now, in triangle OBC, we can write angle OBC is equal to angle OCB because of the opposite angles of an isosceles triangle. Therefore, angle OBC plus angle OCB plus angle BOC is equal to 180. 25 plus 25 plus angle BOC is equal to 180, or 50 plus angle BOC is equal to 180, or angle BOC is equal to 180 minus 50, that is angle BOC is equal to 130. Now the sum of angles on a straight line, that is by using linear pair, we can write angle AOB plus angle BOC is equal to 180, or angle AOB plus 130 is equal to 180. Angle AOB is 180 minus 130, that is angle AOB is equal to 50 degrees. Hence, C50 is the right answer. Three angles of a quadrilateral are 75, 75 and 90. The fourth angle is, options are 95, 105, 90 or 120. Consider the given quadrilateral in which the three angles are 75, 75 and 90. Suppose the fourth angle is x. We know that the sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Then 75 plus 75 plus 90 plus x is equal to 360, or 240 plus x is equal to 360, or x equal to 360 minus 240, that is x equal to 120 degrees. Hence the fourth angle is 120. So D 120 is the correct answer.